Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look. So basically I'm going to show you this eye makeup look that I've done, which is matching to my dress, and this is for Diwali party. I know Diwali is just coming up and you guys must be wondering what look to do, so I'm here to help you out with your Diwali party look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So guys, this is a voiceover video, and first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a multi-use concealer, so I'm going to apply that on my eyelid as an eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to blend that with my finger. It helps the eyeshadow to sit on like really nicely and properly, because eyeshadows are like really pigmented. And I'm using this eyeshadow palette from NICKA New York palette, which is the 23 Perfect Matte Color palette, and I'm going to use this red color from it, the two red colors which you see, the dark and the light one. So I'm going to mix those both and then use it. So since they are really pigmented, which is why I thought of applying the concealer first. And I'm going to start blending it out in my crease. So I always start from the outer part and then I go inside. It helps me to create a very nice crease line. Make sure that you're blending it like really nice and proper, so that it doesn't look cakey or not blended. Next, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening, and I'm going to use the shimmer shades from that. These are really nice light shimmer shades, which this color which I'm applying right now, it really goes on with this red one, as you can see. And I'm just dabbing it because I don't want it to fall out on my face, because I already did my concealer, my base thing. You guys know I hardly use concealer or foundation, so I always use like very little concealer, and I did that because I don't use foundation if not needed. And then I'm going to apply the same red shadow from the NICKA New York palette on my lower lash line. I know right now it doesn't look that good, but once you see the final product, you will love it. With the same brush with like very less product on it, I'm just going to like define the line, the crease line, so that it looks even. Now I'm going to use my NICKA Get Inked pen liner, and I'm going to draw a wing liner. It's going to be like little bold because it should stand out. And I suck at doing wing liners. But I did it. Now next I'm going to apply my In Color dark brown kajal pencil, and I'm going to apply that on my waterline and on my lower lash line as well, just to create a smoky effect. Now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, and I'm to curl my lashes with that. Also applying the same mascara on my lower lash as well. And this is the final result. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, till then, happy Diwali to you guys in advance. Stay safe, have a safe Diwali, and bye guys.